Hello. So, as you all can remember, I think a day before yesterday or so, we created an agent using CrewAI and Agentipy. So today we're going to host it here. I think it's like the first Agentipy agent hosted. So yeah, that's good. So let's just go ahead. These are like two normal basic stuffs for running your Agentipy agent. These are our tags here. So this is what we tell our crew agent to do. And then this is our agent, what it does here. So this is our crew here. We initialize our Solana agent kit. Here we define our agent, the model we should use, normal basic stuffs. So now this is where we need to like our project.tom file. So this is where we need to probably if you create a new project, by the way, to create a new project you just be crew AI crew, then Solana agent, any name you want. Yeah, so it's basically going to scaffold your project like this. So for us to be able to host this on CrewAI, you have to have this entry point here. So this tells our once it's hosted that this is where the entry point is, so that it will know where to run it from. These are just basic information. You can add your information here. Yep, right. So that's all. By the way, this project is hosted on my GitHub, so you can check the link out. So let's get started now. So the first step is, since I've already, if you click on deploy from GitHub here, you connect your GitHub account. I've done that already. So I'm just going to go to the branch live AI agent here. Then add my env keys. So I'll be back in a second. Let me add my env keys. So after adding my env keys, it's going to show you this. So I think our deployment is going to start. So it says first deployment can take as long as 10 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. So our agent is live. Then we can just click on the agent. It should take us to the status page of the agent. One of the ways to know that the agent is working is if you click on this input. So it's going to leave, it says user input, right? And if you come here, our main.py, we can see that what it needs is like the user input, right? So let's go ahead now and run our agent. So kick off. You should give you the field to edit the agent. So right, what is my soul balance? What is my soul balance? So we copy this ID. This is like to know which of the job is running. So we copy this ID. Have this here. Then we do this just to test it. Yep, success. The current soul balance is 5.00. So that's all you need. You can see how simple it is to like host your first AI agent. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you. By the way, the link to the GitHub repo will be in the description. I think it's a good starter template for people that want to get started with CrewAI. So thank you.